Is this a good idea?
So many cobwebs.
Why did it change to normal cleaning mode?
Why did it go to normal cleaning? Okay, it's gonna get stuck back here. For some reason, it went to normal cleaning, but I'm just gonna say okay. Oh, it hit something. Doing a good job cleaning this basement and not being sarcastic, but being serious.
He's probably sarcastic, don't listen to him.
Not all the chips are picked up, so you're gonna hear a little crunch then and there. Well, there's a bunch of crumbs right there behind it. Oh, it's going in for the dirtiest part of the room.
Gosh, you really need to take care of your basement.
Hopefully, it doesn't hit a rock because I just heard something just now. Eh, it can't really pick that up. I don't even know what that is. Looks like a mouse.
It looks like a mouse, but it's not. It's a piece of dirt.
But there's a chip right there. Picked it right up. I know you want to get back there, but you can't, buddy.
Did you just really call him buddy? He doesn't have feelings.
It's gonna try to go for that big piece again. It's gonna miss it. Let me know in the comments below how many spider eggs you think I picked up, because I honestly don't know. And how many spiders. Because this basement hasn't been cleaned in uh, like I said, years. And it's going. Oh, gosh. Oh, man. I know you're doing your job vacuum, but you can't go over there because look, there's wires, and you're not capable of doing that because you're not the smart robot, but you are randomized, but you're still good at picking up stuff.
Once again, he doesn't have feelings.
trying to get all that dirt. Don't know what that was, but it was crunchy. This would be a good vacuum if you're trying to clean your basement and it hasn't been cleaned in ages. But here you go. Bristles meet bristles, huh? It's not going to clean the whole basement, but it's going to clean the best it can, and I'm going to see how filled up it was cleaning it.
I hate to be in this vacuum's bristles.
I wonder how dirty the wheels are. I wish I caught it on video. The vacuum sucked up a tiny piece of metal wire. But it's fine now.
The metal wire was in the brush roll of the vacuum. Luckily, it didn't hurt it. I'm glad it changed at the beginning of the video from normal cleaning instead of max cleaning. It could have done minor damage to the brush roll.
In the basement, but oh well. Don't know what that is. Just making sure there's nothing that the vacuum would hit, like that little wire. You hear that? It's crunchy. You gotta just push the plate or the bowl. Now it's getting mad. It's spinning faster. I think it's just trying to get the edges, that's why. Don't know what it's hitting back here. I'll let you know when it's unstuck. I'm probably gonna wrap it up, but before I do, I want to see it get behind here because it is very dirty.
Geez, that really is dirty.
I'm gonna put on max.
My God, this thing is retarded.
Sounds like the vacuum's getting overloaded. Unless it's full. We'll find out after this run.
Ring around the rosy.
Come on, you can get yourself out. I barely can fit between here.
I'm so glad I don't own this hunk of junk.
You hear that? Sounds like something's in the motor or something.
Your quality level is poor, bro. No one is
Probably
gonna
gonna
hear
end
it.
it right here, the video. So let's see how full the motor got cleaning. It actually did a good job cleaning that. You can see the dirt outside, that side, it got all of that. Turn it off. Let's see how much dirt we got. So this is what we got. Hold on.
My god, he sucks holding the camera.
This is what we collected. And some of these chip crumbs too.
Subscribe to Old Crankman for more
So I hope you
content.
guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.